Last year, we reached incredible milestones. We built Lux Mix Manufacturing Plant, our very own manufacturing company.
Welcome to this extraordinary evening where mystery meets gratitude.
Tonight is not just a celebration. It's a heartfelt thank you to each and every one of you who have been part of our Lux journey.
I love you. I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
Behind your beautiful mask, we are all united by the same team. A celebration of the blessings in our lives. So let us enjoy the peace, the company, and of course, the magic of the masquerade.
So tonight, let's celebrate not just Lux success, but our shared success.
I love you.
I am very thankful sa mga taong nagbigay ng tulong from our suppliers, distributors, brand ambassadors. We were able to open 2 Lux kiosks at SM Masinag and SM Bikutan, which aim to provide premium, safe, and effective medications for everyone's well-being. This 2025, we are expanding even more. Introducing Philax Pharmaceuticals.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.